Hi yogis, Namaste. I am Vinita Jain. I am yoga instructor. Today we have class for Tratak meditation. Tratak, a modification of tantric practice, used to energize the third eye Ajna chakra. Essentially, it is a meditation technique in which we focus our gaze on a candle. Although it can be also done focusing on a yantra, black dot, your own reflection in a mirror or guru. How to do Tratak meditation or candle gazing meditation. Before starting, make sure that you are sitting with good posture. You can sit in lotus position if you like, otherwise sit on a chair with good posture. Place your feet square on the ground at shoulder width. Place your knee directly above your ankle. Make sure your spine is straight but relaxed, and if your lumbar feels comfortable, roll your shoulders back, then relax. Gently open your heart space. Focus on the external image. You can choose any object to focus on. However, most people like to focus on a candle flame. Place the object directly in front of you so that you are not looking to left or right. Focus on the object while holding your eyes still. You must hold the eyes still without strain. After 3 minutes, you will notice tears rising. Gently close your eyes for a brief period and then open them and continue to gaze at your object. When you finish the session, wash your eyes with cold water. Do not practice every day or could potentially end up with a permanent image on your retina. Make sure do not strain your eyes at any time during the practice. And if you have catered, do not meditate on a candle. Now we can relax your arms, relax your body. Thank you so much for watching. Namaste.